This video brings a novel LED street light. Ultra slim design. UV-proof optical lens won't turn yellow. Driver on board IC technology. Thermal air convection structure. It is not afraid of strong wind. All components adopted inside are based on principle reliable first. Applicable pole diameters are adjustable. Wall-mounted installation. Pole-mounted installation. Professional roadway photometric lighting. Thermal management technology is adopted during design process. Different powers are available for choices.